Unleash entirely new dimensions in your motion graphics by seamlessly weaving a generated art from Midjourney into your creative workflow. First, let's harness the power of Midjourney to create unique, eye-catching visuals. Craft detailed prompts to generate characters, backgrounds, textures, or abstract elements that align with your project's aesthetic. Experiment with different styles, aspect ratios, and parameters to achieve that perfect base image. Once you have your Midjourney masterpiece, it's time to bring it to life. Import your generated image into your preferred motion graphics software, like After Effects or DaVinci Resolve. We'll start by adding subtle animation. For instance, applying a gentle scale animation with ease can create a sense of depth, or focus. A subtle camera pan across a static Midjourney scene can suggest movement and exploration, making your visuals feel more immersive. To create captivating looping effects, consider animating specific elements. A pulsating glow around a character, a fading in and out of a texture, or a subtle morphing of abstract shapes can create endless, mesmerizing loops. Perfect for backgrounds or social media content. Compositing is where the magic truly happens. Layer your Midjourney visuals with other animated elements, video footage, or design graphics. Use blend modes to interact the AI art with your existing assets, creating unique textures and depth. By creatively animating and compositing your Midjourney creations, you can produce truly unique and visually arresting content for websites, social media, explainer videos, and more, pushing the boundaries of your motion graphics.